Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to aim down sights in SAND. If you've been wondering whether you can aim down your weapon sights in SAND, the answer is yes. You might have stumbled upon this accidentally, especially if you tried sprinting while readying your weapon. It's just a little different from what you might be used to in other shooters. Normally, clicking the left mouse button won't fire your weapon immediately. Instead, it performs a melee attack. To fire your gun, you first need to hold right-click to ready your weapon, which by default puts you into the standard hip-fire aiming mode. While still holding right-click, press Shift on your keyboard to toggle between hip-fire aiming and aiming down sights. This lets you switch to a more precise view for longer range engagements. Then quickly swap back to hip-fire for close-quarters combat. Just keep in mind that while you're holding right-click, the Shift key is used to toggle your aiming mode instead of sprinting. If you need to run, you'll have to lower your weapon first before sprinting again. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.